Hello students, heartiest welcome to you all. Well, in this session, we'll be learning about another important grammar topic, that is subject pronouns. So let's get started. Children, just read these sentences. Sia is a good girl. Sia writes beautifully. Sia loves ice cream. So what do you think? Is this a correct way to describe a person? No. See, in these sentences, the name Sia, which is a noun, as well as the subject in the sentence. Subject means the person or thing that performs the action in a sentence or about which we are talking about is used again and again. So, according to English grammar, this is not a correct way to describe a person. So, what should be done to correct this error? After the first line, the noun Sia should be replaced with the pronoun she. First line will remain same as the name of the girl is being introduced there, that is Sia. Alright? It's like Sia is a good girl. She writes beautifully. She loves ice cream. So now is it clear how we have replaced the noun Sia with the pronoun she? Now, pronouns are the words that takes the place of a noun. Like in the previous example, the pronoun she took the place of the noun Sia. Alright? Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are those pronouns that perform the action in a sentence. Fine? Let's understand it with the help of this example. Chris is a driver. He drives a bus. Here, he is a pronoun. And he is used for Chris, which is a noun. Fine? Now, he, she, it, we, they, you, I are known as subject pronouns. These are subject pronouns. Alright? Now let's understand the use of these pronouns in the sentence. John is playing basketball. So John is a male as well as the subject in this sentence. We are talking about John. So for males, we use the pronoun he. So it will become he is playing basketball. We have replaced the noun John with the pronoun he. Clear? Next. Bella plays guitar. Bella is a female as well as the subject. So for females, the pronoun she is used. The noun Bella is replaced with the pronoun she. Fine? Next is Betty is a cat. So for animals and non-human things, we use the pronoun it. The noun Betty is replaced with the pronoun it. Fine? Next. Peter and I love reading. So here, more than one person is there and the one who is speaking this sentence is also included in this. So in this situation, the pronoun we is used. So Peter and I is replaced with the pronoun we. Alright? Next. Rahul, Mohit and Tina are friends. Here also more than one subject is there, but the speaker is not included in this. That's why in place of Rahul, Mohit and Tina, the pronoun they is used. Like they are friends. Isn't it interesting to use these pronouns? Well, next pronoun is you. You is used for one or more than one person whom we talk to. Like in this picture, one girl is saying to another girl that you are a good player. All right. Next, the last subject pronoun is I. So I is used for the person talking about himself or herself. Like in this, example, this man is saying, I am a pilot. He is talking about himself, that he is a pilot. Well, I hope this much is clear to you. Now let's do an activity. You have to replace the noun Ria with the pronoun she. Fine? So have a look at these sentences. My friend Ria is coming to visit me today. Ria has come from America for a 3 weeks vacation. Ria is going to stay with me for a few days. Ria will come to your house for dinner. Ria will come back with me to my home. So isn't these sentences sound weird? So according to the activity, let's replace the noun Ria with the pronoun she. As I told you earlier, we will not do it in the first line because Ria is being introduced in that line. Let's continue. So it's like, my friend Ria is coming to visit me today. She has come from America for a 3 weeks vacation. She is going to stay with me for a few days. She will come to your house for dinner. She will come back with me to my home. Fine. So, isn't it easy and interesting to use pronouns? Fine. Now let's solve few more riddles. So it is from your English grammar book, page number 40 and 41. So page number 40 is just introduction to subject pronouns, which we have already discussed. So just look at page number 41. We'll continue from there. Let's start with part A. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. Children, few sentences are given along with 2 options. You have to choose the correct option that goes with the sentence. First is, there is garbage on the floor. Please throw it in the dustbin. Here the pronoun it is used as we are talking about garbage, which is a non-living thing. Fine. Next is, this house belongs to Sham. He lives here with his parents and grandparents. Here Sham is the subject as well as a male. That's why the pronoun he is used. Next, Radha is a good dancer. She dances in the school function every year. The subject is Radha and she is a female. So the pronoun she is used. Next is, my friend is calling me. I am going to the park to play cricket with him. Here the subject is talking about himself. Also, you know that with the word am, the pronoun I is used. Fine. The last one is, my friends and I play Ludo. Today they are coming to my house to play. Here the pronoun they is used because the speaker is talking about more than one person. Fine. Now move on to part B, that is, fill in the blanks with I, we, you, he, she, it or they. First one is, my uncle lives in Bhopal. He plays hockey for the Indian cricket team. I want to be a hockey player like him. In this, first of all, he is used because the subject is uncle, who is a male. Then the speaker is, that's why he is used. Then the speaker is talking about himself, that I want to be a hockey player like him. That's why the pronoun I is used. Fine. Next is, Sunil is having an ice cream. It is orange in color. It is cold and sweet. Here the pronoun it is used because we are talking about an ice cream, which is a non-human thing. Fine. Then, Mohan, do you like mangoes? You can have the mango I am cutting now. The pronoun you is used here. If you remember, we use the pronoun you for the person whom we talk to. Here the speaker is talking to Mohan. Fine? Then the fourth one is, look at the peacocks. They have such colorful tails. They is used because we are talking about more than one peacock. Fine? Next is, my mother is in the garden. She is watering the plants. Here, the pronoun she is used because the subject is mother, who is a female. That's why she is used. Now the last one is, Mahesh and Sonam, you should go to bed. You should not be naughty and stay up late. The pronoun you is used here because we are talking to someone and the persons are more than one. Fine? So children, this was all about this topic. I hope it is clear. Thank you children. God bless you.